clothes coming. This is so dark, man.
Yeah, exactly. That's probably the lens is fucking just with your fingers everywhere.
Yeah. Okay, look at the Santa. Woo!
Where do you get this?
You're the perfect Santa with your beard.
I told you yesterday and he was angry.
Even better with Hope. He's got the whitest beard.
Hope, you need to wear something. You will be bound as one of the three wise men.
Oh my God.
Merry Christmas from yonder. So, they'll be waiting for us. Hope you're not going. You're coming. Okay. Yeah.
Where are we supposed to meet for the picture?
The bridge.
Bridge?
Bridge, they said, yeah.
Where can I get something like this?
I don't know.
Go and ask me. What? What did you say?
What do you think is so fucking short?
Let's go. Oh my God. Hi, Julia, you will not kill me with laughter. Do you hear that? Hi. Where? Up. One more leg. We are going to take Christmas photos for the memories.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, the heat will kill someone with this sweater. Hi. Yeah. Woo. Hey. Yo. Hoi. This is our captain. Just check him out. Just check him out. Just check the one and only captain. Oh my God. Fine Bobo. Just look at. Hey. Nah, okay. This is our Oga at the top. Our Oga at the top. And another Oga at the top. Look at them. Look at all of them. Look at our Santa. Man. Give me a pose, Santa.
Just give me a...
Hey. Check him out. Check him out.
Guys, let's come a little bit closer, everyone.
Hang on a second, please. Wait. 1 second, eh? So the culture on oil exploration vessels during Christmas is that each crew in a company takes Christmas photos. Usually one seismic company has several oil exploration vessels like the one we're on in the fleet. So the crew on each vessel will take Christmas photos and use them to design Christmas cards. There's usually a silent competition for who would make the most impressive Christmas card. So the crazier the photos, the better. This year I even saw one taken with a drone. It's so cool. It's fun. So that's the photo we came out here to take. Some people are off shift, some people are on duty, so not all of us are here. There are 46 of us on this vessel right now, but since we run a 24-hour production line, there are some sensitive operations happening as we take this photo, so some people are keeping an eye on them, hence can't be here. photographer over there. Joseph the dreamer is photographer. Let me go back to work, please. Mary Christy Mary. Another one. See where we are in the world. See? We don't have any neighbors. No, but very soon we'll have neighbors. Now go back to work. Hey, Joseph, can we see you? Can we see you? Come on, why you remove your Look, see my your guy here. He's the Joseph with his star. Excuse me. Bridge crew looking all pink, look at them. Madre mia, madre mia. I didn't recognize you again. Hi. Oh my God.
Christmas in Nigeria.
Yes, the best ever. Okay, downstairs, back to work. A little bit of excitement there. Joseph. Joseph and Jesus.
You could be Mary, you could be Joseph.
That's what I was suggesting, but he ran off. Santa is undressing. Look at this sweat.
Fucking hell, you must be
Let me go and change, yeah? I'll be a minute before I roast. Are you coming, Santa? Good, oh good.